In this video, I'll show you how you can record your Windows 11 laptop. You can do this for free without having to download any software. So go to your search bar or go to the Windows icon and you want to type snipping tool. So click on the snipping tool. It should be an app in Windows 11 and you can use this tool usually to create screenshots, but we're going to change over to the video icon. So click on the video icon here and then you can press the Windows logo, Shift and R. And once you've done that, it will then give you this tool where you can then choose the section of your screen you want to record. Obviously, if you need to record the whole screen, then select that. You can then choose if you want to record audio or not. So if you click on this drop down, it will then ask you what microphone you want to use. And if you want the system audio to be muted, you can click on this. After you're happy with those settings, click on start and it will then count down and it should then start recording. Hopefully the audio on this video doesn't mess up, but as you can see now we're recording and we can do anything on the screen. You can open any folders and so on. After you're happy with your screen recording, click stop recording. It will then open it here. Now you can go ahead and save it. So click save as, and there you go. You can then save this recording anywhere and that's all you have to do. So I hope that video helped. Let me know if it did in the comments.